Welcome back to Julie's Wreath Boutique. I'm so glad you are joining us tonight. So you don't normally see my face in a video. I don't usually get on here like this, but I show you my hands. Well, this week you get the hands and the face. So I wanted to show you what we're gonna make this week. And honestly, I didn't want to make a wreath. So let's get crafting and let's use some sort of power tools. I'm gonna show you that in a moment. But everything that you see here came from Dollar Tree. The only thing that didn't come was the spray paint, but I already had that on hand. But I'm going to show you how to make this. I'm also going to show you how you can do a smaller version of this project. And listen, we're always going to have fun here on Julie's Wreath Boutique. So make sure you comment in the comments on what you would like to see. What kind of crafts do you want? But listen, I was really impressed with what Dollar Tree had. We're going to take some Dollar Tree succulents, this little cute basket that was adorable. I am obsessed with owls. I love them. But this, Dollar Tree inspired. So let's get started. Okay, you're going to go to Dollar Tree. You're going to find these trays. They're $5 a piece. Yes, I know this isn't $1.25, but this is a larger project, okay? So you're going to take 3 trays, 2 trays, however many you want. You could do 4 of these together if you wanted. I could only find 3. But you are going to take them, and then I'm going to have this metal ribbon. It's metal. That's all I can, it's just like a ribbon, and it's like a border, and you can clip it with your wire cutters like you see me doing here. And basically, we're going to kind of glue, and we're going to staple this on to these trays that I have. So it's pretty simple. It's really bendable, which is kind of nice. And I'm going to get out a really cool tool. This is my power tool that I'm going to use, guys. But this is an electric stapler gun that I got from Amazon. And you guys literally, it went on sale on Amazon Prime Days, and you guys totally bought it. I mean, I love it. But in the process of this whole project, you're going to find out that it's not just a stapler, but it's a brad nailer too. So I'm trying to figure it out right there, and I figured that it wasn't on. So there we go. We're going to staple on one side and we're going to staple on the other, but I'm going to go ahead and add some hot glue. Just, you know, it's always good to add a little bit of hot glue. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to add a few more staples on the front because we are going to get spray paint out, and we're going to spray paint all of this together, okay? So with this particular wire ribbon, you're not going to see the staples. It's not going to be as noticeable. So just get out your little staple gun, and you're going to add a few more staples and use it on this side as well. Okay, so the next thing is we want to start connecting these trays together. So I have some Gorilla Glue in my glue stick here. Again, my glue gun is from Amazon, and my Amazon storefront, always linked down below. So I'm going to basically glue it together. All right, you're going to just have it come together, get it as straight as you can. And then I'm going to take that staple gun, and we're going to staple it some more, guys. It's that easy. I love this thing. But it's pretty simple. You're just going to add staples where the 2 pieces of wood are coming together there. It's really easy. What's nice about the staple gun, it will not staple unless you press down the little ledge at where the staples come out. So it's really pretty safe to do. So basically, you're going to add your trim wherever you want to on this project, okay? Now, I'm finally figuring out that I can use brad nails for this, and I just absolutely love this about this particular staple gun. But you're just going to do the same thing that I showed you in the bottom. You're going to do the same here in the middle, and we're just kind of creating a border with this ribbon. I'm going to add some hot glue. I'm going to secure it with this staple gun, and you're going to do this again at the top. So after you do that, this is where I messed up, guys. I totally messed up. I went ahead and I glued the 3rd tray on. All right, this is where I messed up. Can you tell me what I did wrong in the comments? Can you? I know what I did wrong. I didn't add the trim on this. I should have added the metal trim at the top and the bottom of this before I glue this together. It would have made the process easier In the long run, it didn't matter because I do run a piece of the wire ribbon down the center there. You're going to get your staple gun and you're going to add a few more staples or brad nails, whatever you would like to do. It's pretty easy. It was just really fun. If you have a regular staple gun, just use that. You don't have to get this one. But so I get out the ribbon, wire ribbon, and then I realize, oh, what did I do? I should have put it on before I glued this all together, but that's okay. We're going to make this work. We make mistakes here in Julie's Wreath Boutique, and that's okay. So you can't wrap it around it, but you can get it as close as you can to the next wood box there. So I literally am just going to glue it down, add a few staples. We're going to do this to the top as well, and it's pretty much really kind of a rinse and repeat type of process here, okay? It's that easy. So when you get to this part, you're just going to make a piece for the center, and then we're going to make a piece for the side. Now, this is where I really messed up, but it's okay. I had to go back to the Dollar Tree where I bought this because I did not have enough of this wire ribbon. So if you do this project the exact same way that I just did, you're going to need 3 rolls of this ribbon, okay? You can skip a few steps here. You don't have to do all of the trimming that I did, but I'm just kind of warning you, it will save you a trip to Dollar Tree. Trust me on this. I know from experience. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy to do, but you're going to keep doing the same process. We just want to border this whole thing. And if you like this and you don't want to spray paint it, by all means, do not spray paint this piece. I literally just wanted to do something different, and I wanted to play with paint outside, and that's exactly what you're going to see in the next clip. But you're just going to add some more glue. Now, this centerpiece, I made sure it went over both sections of where the boxes kind of met up, and then just get that staple gun out and have fun. It's really fun. This is where I decided to film me spray painting because it's so fun to watch paint dry. But of course I filmed it from the wrong aspect. But then, now this is what's fun, is I got these little succulents from Dollar Tree and I decided to spray paint them gold. This is just a gold metallic spray paint that I had on hand, and I just loved how easy it is. Now, in this shot, my 9-year-old helped me. Isn't he such a good cameraman? Say, way to go, Crosby, and I will show him your comments. And he will think that that's great. So I appreciate it for a shout out for Crosby. But this was so pretty. I cannot tell you how beautiful that turned out. So once you get it downstairs, you're going to see downstairs. Julie, your studio's downstairs. We know your studio's downstairs. Okay. You're going to get out the wallpaper. This wallpaper you can get at the Dollar Tree. For some reason, I can't find it online, but really you can use whatever you want to do. Now, you're going to measure it. You're going to kind of eyeball it. And at this point, that's exactly what I did, is I eyeballed it. And I'm going to like make this work. I do have one of those like X-Acto knives that I use and a little scraper, and it makes this process a little bit easier. The little tough part about this one is that there's little like wood supports inside of it. So I did have to cut out a little bit there. And again, it was just really easy to do. It wasn't super simple, but it wasn't hard. I'm going to tell you that much. So at this point, I'm just really just trying to make it as close as I can get to it. And I'm going to cut down this piece and then we're going to try it again. So let me just get the cutting done of this process. So, yeah, this is like watching paint dry, isn't it? So, but let me know in the comments, what do you guys want to see? Sometimes I get tired of making wreaths. I want to make something different and I want to show you. And this is where we're going to figure out the little notches. We're going to cut out a little bit of the notches. See, I'm trying to be all scientific here, but you know, I do the best I can. Honestly, I try. Okay, so let's just go ahead and speed this baby up. You're going to take a little like credit card. This is like one of those Dollar Tree Cricut swiper scraper thingies, and it's just going to take a little bit of practice, guys, and it's pretty easy. You might want to buy an extra sheet of this wallpaper, But this wallpaper is so cute. You could have even just done one section of this and left the other the wood grain, but I just thought it looked so cute. So let's style it. Now remember, everything comes from the Dollar Tree here, okay? Here are my little succulent clip-ons that I spray painted gold, and I had another one, so let's, oh, yep, trying to figure out where that one will go. And then I'm going to take this little candle. I lit that. Please do not light this candle when it's on the display. This little basket and that little owl came from Dollar Tree. These little eucalyptus came. I got a little vase. It actually had a little topper on the vase, but I just took that off, and I thought that that sat really pretty. Again, everything here is from the Dollar Tree. I spray painted some more of the succulents and one more succulent because I just had to. So now I'm going to show you a quick sped up version, cheaper and smaller, okay? So if you have some of these little trays, you've seen them, we're going to do the same exact thing, guys. We're going to glue them together. We're going to use our staple gun. I did not use the brad nailer on this one, and it's pretty straightforward, okay? What we did before, you can just kind of do the same. Here I put the glue on the top here because I didn't want glue to seep through the holes. So we're going to add some wire now, and it's going to be really simple to do. So the wire that I had this time was a little bit, it wasn't as easy to like nail in, but we're going to use the staple again on the back, and the wire's coming in here at any moment. There it is. That's the wire. This is a little bit more of a scrolly look. And yeah, I'm going to cut some off here, and we're going to put it on our boxes. So we're going to line the bottom here, the middle, and the top. And basically with this particular one, I just used a lot of glue. I did try the staple gun, but it didn't work quite as well because there wasn't really much gap. So just use your glue gun and just hold it down. That's pretty much all you're going to do. I did this, the staple thing didn't really work on this one as well. So just use your glue, hold it down, and repeat the process. Then you are going to take it and you're going to spray paint this baby whatever color you want to spray paint it. I spray painted mine gold, and it turned out beautifully. I chose the gold and white for this for obvious reasons. It was pretty easy. This one was a lot easier to put in because it was like a 4-inch by 6-inch piece. The hardest part was peeling the backing from it. I'll be honest. That was the hardest part for me. But once you get it in there and you repeat the step 2 more times, you've got this really cute little miniature home decor piece. So what are we going to put into it? Well, again, I wanted to keep with the Dollar Tree. Now you might hear my elephants upstairs, but you know, this is real life. So we're just going to cut some little flowers. If you have some really pretty things that you could add to it, go shopping at Dollar Tree. I went to Dollar Tree 3 times for this project. 3 times, guys. So yeah, this was a labor of love for you, but I really like the pattern on that wallpaper in the background. I think that's really pretty. And then when I went back to Dollar Tree, I had to do just a couple more things to my original piece here. I added another one of those succulents, and this home piece was in it at Dollar Tree, and I thought it was cute. Somehow it got taken off. I had the basket, but listen, if you love this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and leave me a $sign in the comments. See you next week.